Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Vikas and Komal, for joining in. Today, we will be hopping into chapter number 22, which talks about stress and worry. All right. Before we go forward, do you want to share anything?
Yes, I would like to talk about a book that is Emotional Mastery, which you have picked up. It is really one of the impactful book ever written, which is written in a very simplified way and pretty much doable, implementable suggestions, which you will find throughout the book, even during the in the chapters as well as you can find it at the end of the book. So I'm pretty much confident, like I always say, that emotional mastery is one of the top rated skills across the globe. So, the book which Charisma has picked up, it is really going to bring about significant change in our lives, provided we attend the sessions regularly, provided we do the exercises religiously, and provided we share our insights and reflect upon it. So, thanks, Charisma, for picking up this book and all the books which you have picked up so far over the period of maybe 5 to 6 months. These
अब
are
ज्यादा
really
हो गया अब तो 9
no
10
no.
महीने हो गए
Okay.
Okay, but I have joined late, so I've seen 5 or 6 books. Mountain is You, Eat That Frog, Courage to be Disliked, and this one, and then Subconscious Mind, Power of Subconscious Mind, and Master Your Emotion. These were the books which I saw. Maybe
Then
before that you
you
had
have also have you also attended Tuesdays with Muri.
Tuesdays with her, yeah. So, yeah.
So yes, all the books are of practical relevance, and this book, when you read collectively in a group,
Hmm.
facilitated by such a wonderful facilitator, Charisma, who gives us the space which is non-judgmental and also to allow us to freely share our view even if we go off track. Sometimes we go off track as well, but she allows us to do so. So this is a healthy environment which Charisma is providing over this book club, which I'm pretty much confident that the books which she has picked up and which she would be picking up in the future as well, I I'm really getting benefited out of it.
Thank you, Vikas,
Thank you.
for those amazing and wonderful words. Thank you so much. On that note, I would love for each one of you, Komal as well as you, Vikas, जो पेड मेंबरशिप वाली ग्रुप है उसके ऊपर 10 PM के लिए बुक सजेशंस भेजो so that we can
Okay,
take up
okay.
and
I
start
will, I will do
मैं
that.
तो मैं तो 10 PM बंद कर दिया ना.
it's okay. You're still my priority. You know.
Because I'm thinking of मैं ना विकास सर का अटेंड करके फिर सो जाती हूँ. टुडे ऑल्सो आई वॉक अप एट 10 अराउंड 10. सो जो 4 hours बाद में चाहिए होता है ना नींद, आई वांट कि रात को ले लो 9 to वो कब
It
से ही
is
हो रहा
very
है ये
funny. It is very funny how I also decided yesterday that I'll go to sleep because 10 PM club is not happening anymore. And I've
हाँ.
become so used to that 10 PM club कि मुझे लगता है कि अभी उसके बिना मेरे को नींद ही नहीं आने वाली है.
नींद ही
Because
नहीं आएगी.
yesterday I went to bed at 10:50, sorry, 9:50, and I could not sleep till 3.
ओ गॉड.
And I told my husband कि ये लगता है I have to go, I have to study, and then only I will be able to sleep. He's
या.
like, अभी चली जा, पढ़ ले भाई.
ओ गॉड. मतलब बुक के बाद नींद आ जाता है.
Book
और
के
हम.
बाद I do some deep work after मतलब sitting. I sit with myself for 1 hour. 12 बजे I go to sleep.
मतलब वो प्रोसेस द रीडिंग बुक एंड देन सिटिंग विद योरसेल्फ, मेडिटेशन और एनीथिंग यू कैन से. सो या मे बी वी आर मिसिंग दैट. जो 11 PM आप करते हो तभी हमें भी नींद नहीं आता आफ्टर बुक क्लब, बिकॉज वी बिकम सो इंटरेक्टिव एंड अलर्ट. तो मैं मतलब मैम से भी कभी बात हुआ था ना, तो यू आर साधक, सो नहीं जल्दी सो जाओ या जो भी. जल्दी का इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है क्योंकि मैम भी कई बार लेट सो रहे थे, बट शी वाज लाइक टेक प्रॉपर स्लीप बट हाउ एवर यू टेक, एंड इट इज जस्ट दैट थिंग ओनली. तो बट हाँ, समटाइम्स आई कम. वो
Hmm.
आपका सही है क्योंकि हाँ, वी आर फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड आई एम लाइक दैट. लेट नाइट, like a late night owl. So I am not able to sleep at early timings. Rarely I sleep early. Yeah. Let's start.
All right, let's continue with the reading. We are on chapter number 22, stress and worry. Let me quickly share the screen so that we can read it together.
7 more chapters to go, 22 to 29, I just saw.
7 more days to go, I would say. Stress and worry. Within every worry is an important opportunity for positive action. Wow. Within every worry is an opportunity for positive action. In every lie, there is a kernel of truth. Behind every neurotic symptom is the misdirected desire to live fully and well. Have you ever wondered what stress is and why you experience it? Most people believe a situation can be stressful. The truth is, stress does not exist outside of yourself, and therefore, no situation can be said to be stressful itself. Yet, my guess is you experience stress on a regular basis, and probably more often than you would like to. Stress alone is responsible for tens of thousands of deaths every year. Stress does not harm than many diseases and leaves countless families grieving the loss of the loved ones. This is why it is essential you take active steps towards reducing your stress levels. Taking responsibility of your stress. Stress is something you have some control over and therefore must take responsibility for. The more you take responsibility for it, the better you will be to reduce it. Stress happens for various reasons and manifests in numerous situations. The traffic jam on your way to work, a business presentation, tensions with your boss, or frequent disputes with your spouse all constitutes potential sources of stress. There are two ways you can reduce the stress: by avoiding situations you perceive as stressful and by becoming better at dealing with stressful situations. मैंने पहले भी कई सेशंस में बोला है कि whenever if you know something is causing stress to you, it is always good that you sit with it later when you are all right and understand कि if this situation happens again in my life, what is it that I'm going to do? राइट अगर आपको पहले ही पता होगा इस चीज से मुझे स्ट्रेस होता है और आप उसके बारे में पहले ही सोच के बैठे होगे कि अगली बार ये होगा तो दिस इज हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू व्हाट इज आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस इज हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रिएक्ट टू इट और रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट you will be going good with it. Hello Rakhi, thank you for joining in. We will see how you can use these methods to reduce your stress levels. How can you use stress to grow? There is an exercise for that. Make a list of your major sources of stress. Let's look at specific situations that are sources of stress for you. Using the workbook, write down what causes the most stress in your typical week. Come up with at least 10 things. हमारे को अगर कोई प्रेजेंटेशन देनी होती है, हमारे को कोई अनाउंसमेंट करनी होती है, मास्टर क्लास की अनाउंसमेंट से पहले भी थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस होता है, हाय राम तैयारी करनी पड़ेगी, फिर से नया कंटेंट बनाना पड़ेगा, right? There will be multiple things in your life that would be happening that is creating stress, and there is a reason behind it as well. So this one is saying that the author is saying कि ये लिखो and can come up at least with 10 things जो आपको stress देती है. Maybe you can do that after the session as well. Now, next, what will you do? Reframing stress. Emotions arise as a result of your interpretation of events. The mere fact you experience stress or any other emotion means you have added your own interpretation to what is happening. Otherwise, you would have a stress-free life. Now, look at your list of stressful situations. For each situation, ask yourself the following questions. Is that situation stressful in itself? What do I need to believe to experience stress in that specific situation? And what would I need to believe to reduce or remove stress in that particular situation? Let's say you're stuck in a traffic jam and you find it stressful. ठीक है, इस एग्जाम्पल को ही आगे लेके चलते हैं, and I think the author is also talking about that only. कि अगर ट्रैफिक जैम में हो और अगर आप पूछो कि इज दैट सिचुएशन स्ट्रेसफुल इन इटसेल्फ, ट्रैफिक जैम है, उसके अंदर स्ट्रेस की क्या बात है? What would you need to believe to experience stress? हाय राम, ये तो बहुत गड़बड़ है, इतना ट्रैफिक, हो इतना ट्रैफिक, ये तो मैं खड़ी है कि खड़ी रह गई, अब तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, अब तो मैं लेट ही होने वाली। And what would I need to believe to reduce or remove stress in that particular situation? Maybe you have an opportunity, you can think of it ना as an opportunity कि चल मैं बुक पढ़ रही थी, अब बुक पढ़ लेती हूँ, मूव भी नहीं कर रही कार, धीरे धीरे ही कर रही है, तो लेट मी रीड, मे बी आई कैन लिसन टू अ पॉडकास्ट ऑन द वे, दैट इज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी, right? Let's understand what does the author write about it. So he's taking the example of traffic jam. Is that situation stressful in itself? No, not necessarily. The traffic jam exists and there is nothing wrong with it as per se. What would I need to believe to experience stress in that specific situation? I would need to believe there shouldn't be any traffic jams and therefore something is wrong. Traffic jam is a stressful event in itself. I should be where I need to go instead of being stuck in this traffic. I can do something about it. And what will you need to believe to reduce or remove stress in that particular situation? I would need to believe that a traffic jam is a normal event like anything else. Yeah, फिर I don't necessarily have to experience stress just because I'm stuck in traffic. Or I'm here caught in the traffic jam and I don't need to be there wherever I want to go for a while. हाँ, आप उसको डिवाइन डिले जैसे भी ले सकते हो ना, कि मे बी दिस इज वेयर आई नीड टू बी. I can't do anything about it, so might as well enjoy it, or at least don't stress over it. Anybody wants to share how do they deal with it and how would they, perceive a traffic jam? Let's hear it from you. Let's start with Komal.
Yeah, what is the question?
What is that one problem that you stress over?
One problem I stress over job interviews.
Job interviews.
Yeah.
Okay. Is
For
that
it
situation stressful in itself?
in itself. Oh, yes, for me. Because see, that has caused stress, so I'm not even able to think that how it is not stressful.
But is that event in itself stressful? जॉब इंटरव्यू है, जॉब इंटरव्यू हर कोई लेता है, हर किसी को देना है, बिफोर इट इज अ प्रोसेस,
Yeah, yeah.
isn't true?
Absolutely.
Let's hear what does Raki have to share on this.
We feel stressful whenever we are not ready for the particular situation.
Mm.
We feel we are not prepared for it. Then we feel that we are stressed. Okay, traffic in itself is not a stress. You see, when you are having a lot of time to reach to your destination, you don't feel stressed. You put on to music, you talk to your friends or your family, you utilize that time. But when the time is less and you have to reach there, you'll have all type of negative thoughts. Do you really can do anything about the traffic? Can you fly your car or vehicle in which you are sitting? Obviously, no. But what you can do, you can change your attitude towards the traffic. कुछ नहीं कर सकते, आपके आगे भी गाड़ी है, पीछे भी गाड़ी है, बाजू में भी गाड़ी है, आप कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग द स्ट्रेस ऑफ लाइक व्हाट आई कैन डू अबाउट दिस, आगे नहीं जा रहा है, आगे नहीं जा रहा है. अगर ट्रैफिक खुली होती तो आगे जरूर जा रहे होते. नोबडी इज सो वेली कि दैट दे वांट टू स्टे इन द सेम प्लेस. सो वी हैव टू चेंज इट इन अ सिचुएशन. आपको देखना है कि मुझको किस चीज से स्ट्रेस होती है. सपोज इफ आई एम फीलिंग स्टक in a particular situation, write it down. About that situation, what is bothering me so often? Is the traffic itself is causing me a bother, or the travel to the place which I'm going is bothering you, or the event that is going to happen after the traffic is bothering you? It is not the traffic or the travel that is bothering you. Sometimes you don't like the event itself where you are going. That also adds on to our stress. So make up your mind. If
Rakhi,
you
do you
can,
have any suggestion to give to Komal while she feels stressful while she has to appear for an interview for a job?
so I say that for Komal, if she has to go for a job interview, just go for a fun. She don't have to go with the intention of clearing the job interview. She will do her best. अगर हुआ, great. नहीं हुआ, it is one of her experience to do better in the next interview. Stress क्यों लेना है? It is just the experience. They also don't have the job that suits her skill set. So she needs to find the jobs till she finds the company that matches her skill set. It is not that मेरे पास जो skills है मेरे clients वैसे ही आएंगे कि उनको जो मैं पढ़ाती हूँ वही चाहिए उनको. So I have to either upgrade my skills and try to solve the problems which my clients come in for, or I have to look for another clients, whatever I can teach. So either ways, I have to make peace with it. Otherwise, I feel that this stress का चलता ही रहेगा. Stress क्यों होता है? Stress
Yeah.
is not about the work. Stress is how you feel about that work.
Yeah.
ठीक है, एक जॉब नहीं हो रही है, दूसरी नहीं हो रही है. यू आर गेनिंग द एक्सपीरियंस. वहां का एक्सपीरियंस जो है आप लिखो एंड देन यू ट्राई टू सी व्हाट यू कुड हैव डन बेटर अबाउट दैट योर एक्सपीरियंस. एक दो चीजें वहां से आप क्या लर्न कर सकते हो आफ्टर दैट एंड देन सी टू दैट. अगर कल आपकी इंटरव्यू है, यू ट्राई टू टेल योरसेल्फ कि काम डाउन, जो भी है जितना मुझे आता है आई विल टेल इन द इंटरव्यू, जितना मुझे नहीं आता है आई विल टेल दैट नो आई डोंट नो. मैंने मेरे एक्सपीरियंस में ये नहीं पड़ता है. इफ यू गिव मी द जॉब देन आई विल लर्न एंड डू इट. So that is the attitude of the person who is
Fear
giving
will
the
even
interview.
cause anxiety. This that it becomes a real anxiety. Even like my friend or someone was about to refer, and that news of itself that okay, she's about to refer, and I thought refer means okay, you will have to work towards it, and this was like 2-3 months back or just 1 month.
Kumal, can I
So then,
tell you something? Anxiety क्यों होती है हमको? Because we are expecting some outcome of that particular event.
okay,
हमको ये डर रहती है कि मेरे फ्रेंड ने, जो मैं जानती हूँ उनको, अगर उन्होंने मुझको रेफर किया और मैं क्लियर नहीं हुई, तो माय फ्रेंड विल गेट अ बैड नेम बिकॉज शी हैज रेफर्ड मी टू दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी. और जब
or
उसने
as if
रेफर
I'm
किया,
scared of what
मेरे
guys. Yeah,
मेरे
sorry.
स्किल सेट मैच नहीं हो रहे. आई एम नॉट रेडी. इवन आफ्टर एक्सपीरियंस, हैविंग सो मच ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्लियर द इंटरव्यू. मेरी फ्रेंड क्या सोचेगी? अरे
Not
सोचने. हाँ,
not good enough वाला ही कुछ है. It is
हाँ,
like you feel no, you won't be able to do it. मतलब पहले
हाँ,
our mind will start
हाँ,
मतलब
वो तो सभी के साथ होता है.
एंड कोमल ने
yeah,
सी
पूरे
लाइफ.
21 हफ्ते इसने पढ़ा है कि व्हाट यू थिंक व्हाट यू बिलीव शेल कम ट्रू.
ओके, सो आई विल टेल यू कोमल, व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, जो लोग क्या सोचते हैं वो भी आप ही सोचेंगे, तो लोग क्या सोचेंगे फिर?
यही I
सोचने
think
दो
कुछ
ना
भी
उनको
है
क्या सोचना है.
because I am
अल्लाह them to think.
when I'm looking at it, it's not only job, it's about so many things. So I feel something related to people. Uh, some stress comes up through people.
देखो कोमल,
That
एक चीज आपको मैं बोलने चाहती हूँ कि आपके बारे में किसी और ने एक परसेप्शन बना भी लिया, तो आपको क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है? उन्हें तो आपके घर में आके आपके ग्रोसरीज लाके नहीं देनी है, आपके बिल्स नहीं भरने हैं, आपके खाना नहीं बनाने हैं. तो हाउ डज इट मैटर टू यू? ठीक है ना?
true.
व्हाई यू आर टेकिंग स्ट्रेस फॉर समवन एल्स? ठीक है, उनको लगता है कि कोमल इज नॉट सो इंटेलिजेंट, सो बी इट. आपको पता है आप मेहनत कर रहे हो और आप बिना वजह दूसरों के लिए स्ट्रेस ले रहे हो. विदाउट स्ट्रेस
Husband,
यू गो माय डियर, यू विल डू बेटर देन एनीवन एल्स.
true.
स्टार्ट लिविंग
Komal, do
स्ट्रेस
you
फ्री.
have the
आपको
answer to
जब भी
what you need to reduce, what do you need to believe to reduce or remove the stress? Do you have the answer now?
Yeah, it is like again, I'm thinking about breathing exercises, which can help because it is not linked, but yeah, somehow they help us to calm down and prepare us better for that anxiety will reduce by that thing. Because when you are anxious, you don't have thoughts. It just you feel like okay, anxiety is happening, it's happening, right? It becomes like this, and you can't even know what is troubling. It's like four people in front of me, and I'm like,
Komal,
get out, get out, all of
can I
you.
tell you?
हम
Here
चार
was
Can I
बैठे
tell you?
हैं, are you stressed? हम चार
no.
बैठे हैं, तो why can't you take the interview that way only?
Even for my other topic, relationship or anything, I was like, one will talk. Four are talking, I'm out. It's like this.
नहीं कोमल, कैन आई टेल यू, व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गो फॉर माय आईटी जॉब इंटरव्यूज, मैं सब ठीक रहती थी। ओके, सो 2 राउंड्स ऑफ इंटरव्यू होता था, लाइक मेरे एंजाइटी मेरे ऊपर चढ़ जाता था, एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू टेरिबली फील वीक इन माय लेग्स, माय हैंड्स, माय बॉडी यूज्ड टू शिवर, एंड सडनली आई यूज्ड टू फील दैट आई डोंट हैव एनर्जी नाउ, नेक्स्ट राउंड आई डोंट हैव एनर्जी। If it has to happen, it has to happen quickly. Otherwise, if
You
they
know,
give an option, I'll come another day.
मेरे
And
साथ
I have
रोज
to
हो
take
रहा है.
one paracetamol at that time. Suddenly, nothing, no fever, nothing.
Hmm.
Only because of that anxiety and
Overthinking.
overthinking, I used to manifest those symptoms. So
True.
what you can do is, see, you don't have to go with an expectation that I have to clear.
Yeah.
I'm going to do my best. आप उस
So many
इसमें
things
जाओ,
I used to be anxious about, even going to my brother sister's house also. It's not about
go,
interview.
and what you have to do is, you should not be in a comfort zone. Keep
Hmm.
going somewhere or the other where you feel uncomfortable and
I would
talk to
cancel
people.
the plans for my parents also that no, I'm not going there. Like Bangalore, Hyderabad, my sister brother's houses. They had to ask me, "Are you ready to go?" Sometimes it's a old story, not a recent one, but I remember those times were also there. So then brother was like,
Yeah.
"Ask Komal." Then now I used to be
Komal,
like,
what happens is, like, everybody is not so very great in extroverts. Some of us are very introvert. We may look very confident and outgoing outwards,
yeah.
but when it comes to us personally, we
It
are
was
very
about
scared internally.
Raki, it was
Huh.
about comparisons and self-worth because always they are treated differently. I lacked self-worth because I was not.
According to whom, darling? You
Hmm?
are treating that in your head and creating all those things. आपके भाई बहन को पूछो कि उनको आपके लिए वो बर्ताव नहीं रहेगा, and you have grown so big, they don't have that thinking in their mind. You just start going, whatever they think, let them go. I'm going to break my uncomfortable feeling. चलो, मुझे uncomfortable होना ही है, एक दिन के लिए मैं रुकूंगी और नेक्स्ट डे मैं वहां से आ जाऊंगी. Go
True.
for one day, in one quarter
Every
choose one brother's
every
house,
small
next
step
quarter
really
sister's
can
house.
help. Yeah.
Huh?
No, now that those things have gone. Like my mom had some phobias for her. Those phobias have gone. My sister had a phobia like plane aero, है ना, by flying. So she gave command to herself that daughter is there. You have to be a good mother for her. So in that way, she commanded that you can't give this example to your daughter or something. Then that phobia gone. See the mind. We have to. Matlab she did it that way. My mom, I don't know how, but diet changes or somehow maybe my mom thinks these things are related to diet, like
It is
anxious
just a
gut
mindset,
health.
Komal. Every day you start telling yourself, whatever you are fearing, take one fear,
One.
completely
Yeah,
turn it opposite.
exactly. Huh.
Suppose if you are feeling so fearful, you say that I'm strong, capable, and confident.
True. True.
Every time you say that, you anchor it to yourself and start doing it. And
Yeah.
next, take one more. Take one more.
Many things I may have overcome also. I can write like
And you have to write it in the victory log.
victory log. Definitely. I feel 10, 15, or I don't know count how much I must have already overcome so many of matlab, when I'll check, then I'll know that these things you have already overcome.
No, suppose if you don't write in victory log, you will not be able to know.
Hmm.
Why? Because you don't have the track only what you have overcome.
Yeah,
Every time you face that new fear, you feel that it is impossible. But whereas you have already broken 50 of your limitations earlier,
not
वो
written.
आपके
Yeah.
record में है ही नहीं है.
Hmm.
When you have it in record, you can go through it. अरे ये भी नहीं आता था, ये भी नहीं आता था, ये भी मैंने सीखा, ये भी मैंने
Definitely.
overcome किया. When you
Hmm.
do it daily, one thing you have to write.
True.
What I have overcome today. And what are the 3 things that went well for you that day? If you start searching, you'll become good observer of good things happening around you.
True, true.
All right.
Thank
Thank
you
you. Thank
for
you,
lots
Raki,
of
for such
insight.
insights for Komal. Vikas and Pranavi, do you have anything to share or guide Komal with? Let's hear it from Vikas.
See, Karishma, even if you're taking my name, I get anxious like this also. Strange thing. Like, why people are talking about me?
It's
Crazy.
okay.
है
You
ना?
have to become comfortable. We will
हाँ,
make sure that we
अभी
make you uncomfortable every single day from now.
अभी राखी ने बात किया, मुझे मुझे क्यों बात, मेरी बात क्यों हो रहा है? ये भी होता है लोगों को, है ना? तो मैं मॉम को बोलूंगी मतलब थोड़ा बात हो, किसी आंटी सब लोग की, कोमल की डिस्कशन ही ना हो। स्ट्रेंज ऐसा भी।
So
अभी
we will,
मेन
I'm telling you, no, I'm going to make sure that you are uncomfortable every single day, at least for here.
Komal, don't feel insecure or uncomfortable or shameful of people trying to come and help you. It is just that you have to open your heart, my darling, for others to come and help you.
मतलब कई बार
Take
क्या होता है,
whatever
ऐसे
it
लगता है
helps.
आप फंस गए, मतलब वो फीलिंग क्यों होती है कि
नहीं क्यों नहीं होती है? No, you should feel privileged कि I am in such a situation where in a room of
नॉट
people.
हियर डेफिनेटली
हाँ,
राखी, दिस इज वेरी मतलब कोऑपरेटिव प्लेस आई नो, बट अदर
नहीं
प्लेस
आपको मैं ये बोलना चाह रही हूँ, यू शुड बी वेरी प्रिविलेज्ड वेर एवर एनीवन ट्राइज टू हेल्प यू. मीन्स आपका एंजाइटी है, आप बोल नहीं पा रहे
हाँ
हो.
तो हेल्प हो रहा
एंड
है ना,
करिश्मा
फैमिली
हैज
में कुछ और
फाउंड
हो
दैट.
जाता है।
Karishma has
फैमिली
found that you have a fear there, and she is helping you by asking everybody. It is just the perspective she is trying
या
to show you.
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली,
Don't
आई एम
feel
जस्ट
that you are in
सेइंग,
a, or
सारे
don't go out
पास्ट
of place.
एक्सपीरियंसेस ऊपर आ जाते हैं, जो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस
Don't
में
go.
कई बार
Past
आपको
is dead, darling. Past is dead. उसको छोड़ दो.
ट्रू, लेट्स कंटिन्यू।
All right, Vikas, let's hear it from you.
थैंक यू राखी, आपने बहुत कुछ शेयर कर दिया वैसे कोमल को. provided she implements whatever you have suggested it to her. If she starts implementing even small things like this, sharing your victory log, something like that, that can uh, shift her perspective towards looking at things. मैं पर्सपेक्टिव देता हूँ इनको कि कोई भी सिचुएशन is meaningless by in itself. Situation has no energy of its own. Situation is neutral. Situation is meaningless. सबसे पहले तो ये क्लियर करना होगा, हमने क्या किया हुआ है हर सिचुएशन के साथ, हमने मीनिंग असाइन किया हुआ है. आवर वी हैव प्री डिटरमाइंड रिस्पॉन्स रिएक्शन टू एवरी सिचुएशन. अगर बादल, हम चाह रहे हैं कि बारिश ना हो और बारिश हुई, तो हमने ऐसा किया अगर बारिश हुई तो मौसम खराब, अगर ट्रैफिक जाम में फंसे दिन खराब. So this is subconscious programming. We have somehow subconsciously associated negative meaning with the situation, but the situation has no on its own. सबसे पहले ये क्लैरिटी बिल्कुल आना चाहिए, क्योंकि सेम सिचुएशन में बहुत सारे लोग ट्रैफिक जाम में फंसे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग इंटरव्यू देने जाते हैं, कुछ लोग स्ट्रेस लेते हैं, पैनिक अटैक आता है, और कुछ लोग मस्ती मस्ती में जाते हैं और क्लियर कर लेते हैं. सिचुएशन इज सेम फॉर एवरीवन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल bear it in mind that what meaning you assign to the situation and what is the belief which lets you to experience certain situation. मतलब जो बुक में दिया हुआ है ना कि what is the belief that you is leading to the stress, you to experience the stress. जैसे मैंने को लगा इंटरव्यू, हमने बिलीव किया अगर मेरा इंटरव्यू में नहीं हुआ तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे, घर वाले क्या बोलेंगे, सोचे कि टैलेंटेड है नहीं. तो you are playing out stories in your mind on your own. अभी तक तो किसी ने कंट्रीब्यूट भी नहीं किया उस स्टोरी में, आप अपने आप मीनिंग दिए जा रहे हो, राइट. सो वन स्टेप दैट सजेस्ट फॉर यू टू इज, rather than playing out the negative scenario in your mind, consciously shift and change the scenario in the positive direction. Selected, suppose you have out this scenario, now I change it to what if I get selected, what if I get so much to learn from the interview. So you have to make a conscious effort in the initial phases. जब भी आपको व्हाट इफ नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में आ रहा है, नेगेटिव सिनेरियो में जा रहे हो आप, तो पॉज, sit down each and every thought that is coming to your mind. What are the stories? Column, write the different story. So you are changing your script. Every time this kind of scenario will play, you will change the script. This is one method. And one of the instant method that you can use is by changing your physiology. When you change your physiology, your psychology changes. So these are the physical movement like dance, jumping, singing are good pattern disruptors. You are caught up in dysfunctional thinking loop of negativity. Now you have to break this pattern. You can break this pattern by moving the body physically, by shouting, by laughing, whatever way you can think of. Just disrupt the pattern there itself. This is the instant method that you can use. And third method I would suggest is, what are the things that are under your control and what are the things that are out of your control? See, stress is because of our resistance, of our non-acceptance, and of our expectations not being met. All things यहाँ पे हमने क्रिएट किया हुआ। जैसे ही मैंने सिचुएशन को नॉर्मलाइज न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया, जो मैंने नेगेटिव मीनिंग दिया है उस नेगेटिव मीनिंग को मैंने क्या किया, नॉर्मलाइज कर दिया, न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिया। ट्रैफिक इज नॉर्मल, तो मेरे को फर्क इस तरह का ट्रैफिक हो सकता है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, ऐसे शहर में रह रहे तो नॉर्मलाइज न्यूट्रलाइज कर दिए, तो your mind will not raise an alarm to give you a panic attack. So sit with the problem first. क्या problem है exactly? What are the specific thoughts that you are worried about? What is the specific thing that is causing you stress?
मेरे आगे कुछ ऐसा
First,
इमेज
get clear
आता है
on
जैसे
that.
आई एम अ चाइल्ड एंड ऑल दीज आर एल्डर्स, मतलब चाइल्ड इज अफ्रेड ऑफ एल्डर्स, सब बड़े आ गए हैं तो वो कुछ अलग, जबकि मैं बड़ों से बड़े।
और दूसरा, आप अपना एक स्मार्ट इंटेलिजेंट वर्जन क्रिएट करो। Given this scenario, what would intelligent, wise Komal do in this situation? What advice would she give to me? So there are so many ways that you can practice, but provided you practice, again, I'm reiterating, I'm emphasizing that you start implementing whatever suggestions are being given to you. Yes.
Thank you, Vikas, for your insights. And let's go to Pranavi. Pranavi, do you have anything to share for Komal?
Ash, you had shared a very good points. Thank you for that. Good insights.
Let's hear it from Pranavi.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. For me, I get anxious when the things are not properly planned. So if I go to coach students and all, if I don't have proper subject in my hands, and if I directly go there and try to give explain the classes or whatever, I feel anxious because I didn't prepare well. I know about it from the core of my heart. So basically, if I don't plan things properly and if I take hasty decisions, I feel anxious about it. So as for my personality, I will give a thought once and twice before attempting anything, that what are the situations which are making me anxious. The first thing will be that proper planning. If the planning is absolutely perfect, then there is no question of feeling anxious, and I always think about the end product of it. Like if I prepare a certain subject, how would the end of it will be? So there, if I have any question marks, then definitely anxiousness will start. So it's like, for example, if you have a class within 2 or 3 days, I need to prepare 2 to 3 days before itself. So again, I'll just give a thought to myself that if I don't do this, then product would be this, and then it leads to anxiousness, and then that again leads to sadness and all that. So I don't want to get into that circle anymore. So I'll be very conscious that I'm not supposed to enter into this circle. In order to not enter into that circle, it's better I do it right now and then prepare all the situations in the 360 degrees angle as much as possible. So in this way, I feel that I can minimize anxiousness as much as possible.
Wonderful.
And if it is all of a sudden there is something to be programmed, and yes, when that kind of anxiousness comes, I will just give a thought to myself that even this shall pass through, no issues, that's absolutely okay. I being a human, it does happen. So I just give thoughts to myself that will heal, to me to a certain extent. So in that way, I can feel little bit calm about it.
Hmm.
Yeah. And
Wonderful.
I think for Komal at a child level, it's better you plan things beforehand. And it's like if you prepare the plan from point to point, from step 1 to step 2 and step 2 to step 3 in a particular sequence, for sure your anxiety will not attack you that much. So you'll have a proper plan, and when you are confident, obviously that is inversely proportional to your anxiety also. So yeah, that's my opinion and suggestion as well.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pranavi, for sharing that.
Yeah.
And Raki saying, give yourself permission to fall. मेरा सजेशन सिर्फ कोमल को ये है, कोमल, you know a lot, start implementing things. That's it. All right. Let's go to dealing with worry. Worry differs from stress as it isn't the result of something you experience in the present, but a concern you have regarding events from the past or events that may happen in the future.
Is it there in this particular screen?
Yes, here
Karishma?
we are.
Okay.
You
Yeah, got it.
experience stress when you face a stressful situation in the present moment. For instance, a stressful situation would be being stuck in the traffic or having your boss yell at you. Worrying would be remembering past or where are we? Worrying would be remembering past or anticipating, imagining these stressful situations for the future. Interestingly, most of your worries are unnecessary for the following reasons. They happened in the past and there is absolutely nothing you can do about them, or they may happen in the future and you don't have control over the future. ठीक है, तो कोमल को जो हो रहा है ना, पास्ट से लेके आ रही है और फ्यूचर का क्या होने वाला है, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. इट इज नॉट इन हियर राइट नाउ. इनफैक्ट आई वुड से अभी और इसी समय में तो हमारे को किसी को भी कोई ना स्ट्रेस की जरूरत है ना एंजाइटी की जरूरत है. ये ट्रैफिक जैम में हो गए, देन यू कैन एक्चुअली थिंक अबाउट इट. एंड इनफैक्ट इफ यू लिव इन हियर एंड नाउ, ट्रैफिक जैम में भी वहां पे हो ही हो ना, ऐसा भी क्या ही हो गया. अगर इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो तो भी वहीं पे हो ही हो ना, क्या हो गया. माई डॉटर व्हेन शी वाज टू गो फॉर द आइल्स एग्जाम, तो शी थॉट दैट शी माइट नॉट डू वेरी वेल इन द the speaking round. And she was like, chalo koi baat nahi, let me have all the fun only. And जो invigilator थी, she kept on talking for 15 minutes with her, and जबकि इतनी देर तो बात ही नहीं करते हैं. And she very funnily, she said, let me talk about chocolates, how my sister make chocolates. And she was talking and talking, and the invigilator was also talking about that only. And she scored 8 on it. And she was like, I was only having fun. And I told her कि तेरी writing skills अच्छी होने के बाद भी you scored well in the communication skills because you were just having fun. कि ठीक है, we will see what will come. So the exercise that the author has shared here is make a list of your worries. Make a list of things you worry about. That means the past or the future. They may be similar to the things you wrote in the previous exercise. For examples of things you may worry about is your health, your financial situation, your work, your relationship, and your family. Now let's now write at least 10 things you tend to worry about in a typical week. Once you do that, he's asking you to sort out your worries. Constant worry results from trying to control events over which you have no control. When you do so, you create unnecessary stress in your life. To deal with stress and overcome chronic worries more efficiently, it is essential you learn to sort out your worries. An effective way to do this is to separate the things you have control over from the things you do not have control over. You can divide your worries into 3 separate categories. Things you have control over, things you have some control over, and things you have no control over. whatsoever. अभी ट्रैफिक जैम हो गया, आपका उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल नहीं है, आंधी आ गई, तूफान आ गई, एनी नेचुरल कैलेमिटीज, यू डू नॉट हैव एनी, स्टॉक मार्केट गिर गई या कुछ हो गई, मे बी सम
Even we
कंट्रोल
don't have
होगा.
control over others' behavior, ना वो भी उसने बोला.
Exactly, we do not have control over anybody else, what anybody else is thinking about you.
Their habits, their
Exactly.
drinking habit, smoking habit, anything. We can just do our own things. Maybe we can behave so nicely that they change, but that their behavior is not in our control.
Absolutely, it is their choice, their thing. Let's understand कि इससे इन तीनों चीजों से बोलना क्या चाह रहा है author. Things you have control over. This category includes such your actions, things such as your actions and behaviors. For instance, you can choose what to say and how to say it. You can also decide what actions you will take to achieve your goals. Things you have some control over. There are things you have only limited control over, such as competition or a job interview. आ गया job interview. कोमल सुन रहे हो ना? You can't be absolutely certain you will win a tennis match, but you do have some control over such its outcome. For instance, you can choose to train harder or hire a great coach. Similarly, you can prepare for a job interview by conducting extensive research about the company you apply to, or by doing mock interviews. You don't, however, have absolute control over the outcome of the interview. All right. And things you have no control over, unfortunately, there are also many things you have no control over. These are things such as weather, the economy, or the traffic jams. The exercise that he has told about is sort out your worries. Look at your list of stressful situations. Next to each item, put C for control, SM matlab some control, and NC matlab no control. This simple act of sorting out your worries already helps reduce them. As you identify things you have no control over, you can let go of your urge to worry. Now, for things you have some control over, write down what you could do about it. What concrete actions could you take to alleviate them? For things you have no control over, you can let go of your need to control them and instead accept them. And taking 100% responsibility of your stress and worries. Acha, pehle let's talk about this. All right, everything clear up till now, or anybody wants to share anything?
Not related to these paras, but something was coming in my mind that my family or my parents or father, he would hurry for everything without planning. Okay, we have to go somewhere, or maybe they want. I'm okay with getting. But it's not very good, but I'm okay with getting late. ठीक है, नहीं गए. That is my way. Then I feel like okay, live alone because of these things only. Because sometimes I feel so anxious of like इतनी जल्दी क्यों कर रहे हो हर चीज को. मतलब देन माय टीचर वाज सेइंग तुम नोट करो या सोचो कि तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम क्यों है हरी करने से, कि व्हाट इज द थिंग विच इज ट्रिगरिंग यू, कि जब सब लोग हरी करते हैं फास्ट लाइफ से प्रॉब्लम क्या है. मतलब दैट इज ओके, वो से पीस मिल रहा है आपको, आराम आराम से करना है. बट व्हाट इज द इशू व्हेन यू फील कि मतलब because that stresses me that okay, without planning sometimes you have to go somewhere or they'll be ready within ठीक है next day ही चलो जाना है, and I'll be like no, you did not tell me. And it has to be like planning thing which
So it is good to be systematic, but it is okay when अचानक से भी अगर आपको कहीं जाना
yeah
पड़ जाए,
exactly.
so you can systematize your life that way. So you
But
can, your
I feel
Almira
ये
can
सब
be,
जो मैं बात कर रही हूँ ये सब साथ में ओवरकम हो चुका है थैंकफुली. ये सब काफी कुछ मैं कहती हूँ क्या है, किसी चीज में छोड़ो,
तो
सब भागो.
फिर why are you talking about it? When
हाँ,
you
मैं वही बोल
overcome
रही
it.
हूँ, ये पहले का था. व्हाई हैव टू ब्रिंग इट अप अगेन, बिकॉज इट इज लाइक आई अब क्योंकि कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस ऐसे हुए लाइफ में जब आपको कुछ दिख मोह माया ही नहीं रह जाता. इट इज लाइक एवरीथिंग, नथिंग मैटर्स
तो
नाउ. आई
ठीक
एम
है, आज कोमल, whatever you have overcome, you are going to make a list of that rather than making a
हाँ
list of things that stress you or bring
exactly.
anxiety or
Now
worry
it
you.
is like 70% is overcome. If I still keep on looking at it, maybe I'll bring them back. I don't have to. I've already seen that gone is gone. Yeah. Totally.
Let's not bring those things that you have already overcome.
I feel
Until they
clothes doesn't matter now. So many things doesn't matter. Like my hairstyle is not done sometimes. Otherwise, I used to bother about eating. ऐसा ऐसा prepared होके ही जाना है. पहले था. अब it is different little bit. I have no idea. मतलब ठीक है चलो. Let it pass.
Just want to add one word which might help Komal and everybody here. Worrying is a pattern. It is a pattern that we develop. मीन्स अगर कुछ भी नहीं है तो कुछ तो वरी करना होगा तभी मेरा लाइफ ठीक है. अगर सब कुछ अच्छा है तो अच्छा नहीं है. So if we are in that particular mindset ना, हमें मालूम नहीं रहता है कि like we are going in the past, we are going in the future, we are getting worried. That is a pattern. It comes automatically. अभी कुछ भी नहीं है इसके रिलेटेड कुछ भी नहीं है पास्ट का आ रहा है. पास्ट का रिलेटेड सब सॉर्टेड है. यू हैव वन ओवर इट. देन फ्यूचर का आ रहा है. So for you, the main exercise is for everybody, not only you,
Overcome.
for me also. Be in the present and focus on breathing at least 5 minutes per hour.
True.
And in those 5 minutes, where I am, what I am thinking, why I am thinking. If you start doing this, then a lot of your chatter mutter, chatter mutter, everything will stop.
Yeah, it's like come
Try
out of
this.
fight and flight mode and relax a bit. मतलब वो
Please
हमारा
try this.
हर टाइम
हाँ,
ऑन ना रहेगी fight and flight.
आप ये ट्राई कर लो. आपको ज्यादा हेल्प मिलेगी. बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन वी आर एंग्शियस इट हैज बिकम आवर पैटर्न. वरिंग से वो कम होता है. इट इज अवर फीलिंग. वरिंग से कुछ नहीं कम होता है. इनफैक्ट व्हेन वी आर वरिंग सो एक्सेसिवली इट विल क्रिएट द प्रॉब्लम्स व्हिच आर नॉट देयर इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. क्योंकि बिकॉज वी आर हैबिचुएटेड. इतना हैबिचुएटेड कि जहां पे सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है वहां पे भी हम लोग ये कर प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर देते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द पैटर्न. पैटर्न को कैसे तोड़ते हैं? लाइक यू हैव टू बिकम अवेयर एंड यू हैव टू टेल योरसेल्फ स्टॉप इट, स्टॉप इट. ओके.
Wow, thank you, Raki, for the insight. And Pradavi, do you want to share anything as of now?
These all things it just can't come up with one activity, Komal. You need to be mindful of any activity before doing that, especially those things which leads to worry and all that. So I mean, it just goes with the flow, Karishma. That's what I feel. So, and you should be very perfect in that segregating also. I mean, starting it will be a problem maybe for 4 or 5 activities, but with the practice your mind will easily it will give you like a radar. It directs you like this is a way like you can control, and when it is out of control, and I mean that clarity of thinking will come with the practice of this technique. And for sure I guess if we try to work out a situation on these 3 points, that is which the worries which are controllable and not controllable and some controllable, we would definitely reduce the worry, I guess. So I have an idea about it but never worked on it as such, but then yeah, but now I'll give it a try.
This chapter itself is telling a lot of things. Control over, not control, and even which we don't have control. Next page he will be telling about how we can analyze more. We will see that. Yeah.
Look at her. She knows everything.
Yes, that's what I'm
Yes,
saying
Komal.
now. She knows everything and she's just not implementing. The day you start implementing, you will see massive shifts in you, Komal. You have already seen, you have been looking out for so many answers. You know all the answers, and now if you ask that question,
Start with one or two, and make an accountability partner. Maybe if that person is not doing it with you, at least hold somebody in this room or outside this room. पकड़ लो एक जनों को, and then you tell that these are the things I'm doing. I'm
What
accountable
problem
for
happens
it.
is we enroll in so many things and then ये chapter पढ़ा आप इसकी workbook नहीं करोगे. ये
ठीक है,
होता है
it's
ना.
okay. If you should come and see me, how many programs I have enrolled.
हाँ. सबके साथ हो रहा है ये
हाँ, डू आई बॉदर? नो।
हम्म
जब कभी भी जिसके कौन सा भी मन बनता है, दिल बनता है, मैं वहां पे
एग्जैक्टली
जाके बैठ जाती
मेरा
हूँ।
आप जैसा ही हो रहा है कई बार हाँ करिश्मा ये
एंड मैं वरी नहीं करती हूँ, मुझे पता है।
जो मोबाइल में देखा अच्छा ऑनलाइन क्लास चल रहा है चलो लेट
चलो
गो
जी, लेट्स
हो
एंटर
गया
दैट रूम.
No, no, not like that. You have to have a plan for your day. It's not that you are randomly going and sitting in all the classes and you are not doing anything. Action तो आपको लेनी है, ये चीजें मुझे
कोमल,
करनी है।
ये चीज
हाँ,
अभी तक मिसिंग है। नहीं अभी अभी मैंने करिश्मा को बताया कि द थिंग्स आई एम डूइंग वो प्लानर है पहले नहीं लिखा हुआ कि ये करना है हाँ या तो आई कैन
इसीलिए
ऑल्सो
why one more thing I'll tell you why we don't plan, ये मेरा भी प्रॉब्लम है। Why do I not plan? Because वो प्लान एग्जीक्यूट करने की डर रहता है। क्योंकि मैं तो ये लिख रही हूँ, कितना गारंटी है कि मैं कर पाऊंगी?
यू नो
अगर
व्हाट आई
नहीं
हैव
किया
रिटन
तो?
मैं तो
आई
ये
अगर
हैव
नहीं
मानती
किया
रिटन
तो?
हूँ. आई से यू शुड हैव अ प्लान फॉर 1 वीक. सैटरडे संडे पे सबसे कम काम छोड़ो, क्योंकि जो पूरे हफ्ते का रह जाएगा वो सैटरडे एंड संडे को आप कंप्लीट करोगे. दैट्स इट.
And then initially when you are planning, use very easy
दो
things
तीन
on the
चीज,
plan.
ओनली थ्री थिंग्स
थ्री
चूज
थ्री
जो इजी है करनी. यू विल स्टार्ट गेनिंग लॉट ऑफ
तो
कॉन्फिडेंस इन.
करिश्मा अभी पता है मैंने क्या दिया है अपने आप को आई हैव गिवन रेकी साइकिल जो पूरा 1.5 आवर लगता है डेली तो आई हैव स्टार्टेड इट अगेन मतलब आई कैन नॉट नो कि वो क्यों प्रायोरिटी है दैट इज है ना वो है तो है तो यस्टरडे आई स्टार्टेड इट अगेन 3-4 टाइम्स ऑलरेडी 21 डेज साइकिल कर लिया उसने मुझे कंसिस्टेंसी सिखाया आई हैव नो आइडिया कैसे आया पहले नहीं था ना सो ओके दिस इज इट एंड सेकेंड इज माई योगा तो चाहे 15 मिनट्स करो yesterday लाइक प्लान था ना डे तो इसमें मुझे था अच्छा गुरुद्वारा नहीं जाने का मन अभी यू फीलिंग लेजी तो मैंने कहा ये दो एक्टिविटीज को कंपल्सरी कर दे योगा एंड दिस रेकी जिसमें तुम्हें लगेगा तुमने दो तो रोज कर रही हो थर्ड इज दिस बुक रीडिंग और मतलब और हम वी कैन ऐड एनी मतलब कुछ भी मोर ऐड कर सकते हो दो कोई ना ब्रेक करो पहले कि
हाँ,
पूरा
गो
दिन ही
फॉर वन. व्हेन यू आर गुड विद वन, गो विद टू. दूसरे के और फर्स्ट के साथ अलाइनमेंट पूरी हो जाएगी, देन स्टार्ट विद 3.
Don't compare your chapter 1 with somebody else's chapter 10. बिकॉज
एग्जैक्टली
वो बहुत ये होता है, एंजाइटी होता है कि मैं वहां तक कब पहुंचूंगी। ठीक है, उनका है यार, परफेक्शन के पीछे मत
कोमल,
भागो।
मेरा ये वाला प्लानर भी देखा है आपने,
हाँ
जिसमें
कि
दो ही
कभी
चीजें
खाली भी
लिखी
होता है
हैं. एक एक दो दो ही लिखी है, पूरा पेज खाली है. पूरे दिन में कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ दो चीजें करनी है. ये ऑल्सो यू हैव सीन,
ट्रू
एंड
ट्रू
यू हैव सीन दैट जो पूरा खिचड़ी बन गया है.
एंड एक और सबसे अच्छी चीज है कि ट्राई अगेन देन
एग्जैक्टली.
ट्राई अगेन हाँ कि
Every week.
दोबारा
Now
प्लान
I
कर
think, that I've been doing a little too much. अभी नेक्स्ट मंथ में आने वाली आई डू लिटिल लेस. मैं
लिटिल
कट
लेस
ऑफ कर दूंगी, नहीं मेरे को नहीं करना यार. मैं कम
हम्म
करूंगी काम.
बिल्कुल
मेरी मर्जी, मेरे हाथ में. दैट इज 100% माई कंट्रोल.
राइट हाँ तो ये मत समझो कि प्लानर फेल हो गया ये सोचो कि अच्छा इसको इसको अपडेट करते हैं
एग्जैक्टली.
फिर इसको फिर अपडेट
को
करते हैं
पकड़ो तुम। डोंट रिलाई ऑन योर ओन ब्रेन। इट गोज इधर इन द पास्ट और इन द फ्यूचर एंड इट क्रिएट्स एंजाइटी एंड वरी फॉर यू।
किसको
आप
पकड़ो
किसी को भी पकड़ो,
कोच
कोच पकड़ो, दोस्त पकड़ो,
फ्रेंड पकड़ो.
घर के मेंबर,
अकाउंटेबिलिटी
स्टूडेंट
पार्टनर
पकड़ो।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ,
राइट
किसी को भी पकड़ो एंड बोलो उनको मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है। एंड देन स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग 15 मिनट। डोंट गो इनटू स्टोरीज। अगर आपको लग रहा है तो आप उनसे बात करके सॉर्ट आउट कर लो,
कोमल,
बिकॉज यू नीड समवन टू हियर यू।
ट्रू ट्रू
ईट दैट फ्रॉग पढ़ा था जब, व्हेन वी रेड ईट दैट फ्रॉग, यू रेड दैट एज वेल विद मी, राइट?
ट्रू वो भी मिस
And
किया
one more
बहुत
thing,
सारा
what happens, Komal, I understand when we have lot in our head, right?
ट्रू
We want everything to be expressed.
एंड
एक्सप्रेशन के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता है, लोगों के पास आजकल टाइम नहीं है, प्लेस नहीं है, एंड दे डोंट हैव। आई सजेस्ट यू टेक सम नॉर्मल नोटबुक्स एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग
या
जो भी आपको आ रहा है। अगेन, आपने यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेस किया, फिर से आपको याद आ रहा है, बैठ के लिखो,
या
एक्सप्रेस इट आउट। जब भी आप 10 बार एक्सप्रेस करेंगे उसी थॉट को, उसका इंटेंसिटी कम हो
अभी
जाएगा।
विकास से आए थे ना तो उसमें वी डू 90 डेज वाला थिंग तो मैंने कल से फिर स्टार्ट किया जो मेरा मतलब बीच में वो हो गया था
No,
मिस हो
one thing is you have to start doing this thought dumping.
थॉट डंपिंग हाँ
हाँ,
वो बार बार मेरे
हाँ।
को मैसेज आ रहा है मेरी
कितने
कजन
बार
को
आपको ना कि आई हैव सीन कि एक दो ही बार मैंने आपको देखा है, ज्यादा के बारे में मालूम नहीं मुझे, बट
ट्रू
व्हाट आई सी इज लाइक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू वांट टू एक्सप्रेस। ठीक है, दैट इज गुड थिंग दैट यू हैव लॉट्स टू शेयर, उसको
True.
ना एक चैनल कर दो, उसको
चैनल करो.
लिखो बैठ के, स्टार्ट
True.
राइटिंग।
Basic
एंड जब भी
notebook.
आप, हाँ, जब भी आप लिखोगे लिखोगे लिखोगे, क्या हो जाएगा, दैट कचरा वॉट एवर इज देयर इनसाइड योर हेड विच इज नॉट सर्विंग योर पर्पस राइट नाउ, वो खाली हो जाएगा।
I'm just going to bring a notebook just now.
मैं कितनी बार सुन चुकी कोमल से ये।
Spiral. पता नहीं हम मतलब क्यों होता है. I'm writing it, but ऐसे होता है 10 days में एक
आई
बार.
टेल यू, अगर आप बोले थे पहले करेंगे, अब नहीं किया, इट्स ओके, डोंट बीट योर सेल्फ, फिर से
हाँ,
करो,
फिर
फिर
से
से करो,
करो.
नहीं हो रहा है, यहाँ पे आके बोल दो मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है,
हाँ.
एंड
कोई ना
somebody
कोई
will
तो
give you some
कोई ना कोई तो
some
तुम्हारे से सारे दिन में एक बार पूछ लेगा, कोमल लिख लिया,
I think
आज
right,
नहीं
हाँ
लिखा।
राखी, because I don't
हाँ
want कि सारी नोटबुक्स मेरी इधर उधर कुछ भी लिखा हो, तो मैं एक सेपरेट नोटबुक होता है जिसको हम बर्न कर सकते हैं.
यस,
मतलब इफ आई वांट टू बर्न इट, है ना, बर्निंग बॉल, पेजेस टीयर करके. तो
पेजेस क्लियर करने से लूज पेपर्स लेके आ जाओ,
हाँ,
जो भी
लूज वाला ही.
नेगेटिव है उसमें लिखो।
स्पाइरल स्पाइरल होता है ना, तो
हाँ,
स्पाइरल वाले में से तो टीयर हो
वो
जाती है.
एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं यार स्पाइरल बुक्स, लूज पेजेस
नहीं,
लेके आ
नॉर्मल
जाओ,
वाला
ऐसे
मिल
कचरे
जाएगा.
के लिए स्पाइरल बुक्स यूज मत करो।
न्यूज़पेपर के ऊपर ही लिख ले यार कोमल, तुमने कौन सा वापस पढ़ना ही है, उसको फेंकना ही है ना।
नहीं नहीं,
All
जैसे
right, let's hear it from Pranavi. Pranavi, what were you sharing? I think we were talking and we could not hear you out.
Yeah, what I feel is basically you should work. I mean, you should work on how to maintain that activeness and energy throughout the whole day. I thought I specifically work only on two tasks, that is my workouts and diet, and I'll make sure that how the energy flow happens. And if I feel little bit low, I mean in the evenings also, again I'll go for a workout for about 25 to 30 minutes. So at a superficial level, you'll get a lot of clarity in your mind also, and you'll get a special extra jiff of energy to, again go back to your goals or whatever. So I feel that these are the only two important things and yet easy things to follow. And uh, and at every instant you are cleaning your stress or whatever at a physical and as well as mental level. So yeah, you need to work only on this, the diet and as well as your workouts. It really brings wonders in your life. And especially diet, and although it depends, if your diet is absolutely perfect, the very next day you'll be jumping with tons and tons of energy, and you can set all the goals, and you can clear everything. So if these two pillars are perfect, no, uh, your energy levels will be maintained, and you'll get different energy, and you'll be in alignment with the universe too. So it may sound very simple for you, but then these two will play a major major roles in my day schedule. So if these two are correct, everything will be perfect at any cost, and my body itself will guide me how far to take that stress or whatever. I mean, in what extent it has to be taken. My body itself will guide me if I follow these two things perfectly. So
Amazing, yeah. This is amazing.
so it really
Energy
works.
and active. Yeah,
Yeah.
amazing.
All right, let's start taking 100 responsibility of your stress and worries. What if you had more control over your worries than you believe? Look at the situations you have no control over and ask yourself, if I had control over them, what would I do? What would it look like? And how could I prevent them from happening? Often, you will realize you have some control over these situations. This can be by changing, reframing, or eliminating them from your life. Let's say you identified traffic jam as something you have no control over. This sounds reasonable. Once you have caught in the traffic jam, you can't do much about it. But could you do things differently? For instance, could you leave home earlier or take different route? What about reframing the situation? Instead of escaping the situation mentally, you could choose to be fully present by making traffic jams a productive part of your day. You could then make the most of it by listening to audiobooks. Imagine how much could you learn if you listen to audiobooks every working day for entire 1 year. Go over your list and look for things you have no control over. Write down what would you do to change, reframe, or eliminate them from these events. In the morning only, I got a message. I'm helping somebody in coaching, and I got a message from her. I actually texted her, "How is it going?" There is an activity that I had shared with her to be done, and I asked her, "How is it going?" So she said, "Ki I'm not well. I have not been working on it." And by chance, last weekend also, I was busy with the on offline event. So because of that, I could not attend to her. So I was actually thinking कि उसने इस पूरे 2 हफ्ते होने वाले हैं. What has she done? So she's like, I could not work on it and this and that, blah blah blah. बहुत सारे she gave, this reasons why she could not do it. The only question I asked her was, uh, XYZ, whatever her name is, what is it that you can start doing right now? And if somebody had come to you with the problems that you have right now, what would you suggest? Give up or do something about it? And she had the answer for herself. Karishma, I'll be taking actions from today itself. You have to take 100% responsibility for whatever is happening in your life. I don't know what. All right. Anybody wants to share anything about? 3 दिन से मेरे पैर सूजे हुए हैं यार, मेरे पैर ठीक ही नहीं होने को आ रहा. One toe has gone this big, and my kids are looking at it and they're saying, "Mommy, when she was pregnant, she had this big toes." And I'm like, I'm not pregnant. I just have it because I was standing all day.
कुछ नहीं होता. Put your legs elevated.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I put it in
Did
the
you put in
hot
water?
water,
Salt water.
salt water में डाल रही हूँ, कभी फिटकरी के पानी में डाल रही हूँ. It's okay. And does that make, मतलब उसकी वजह से क्या मैं ऊपर नीचे आना जाना छोड़ दी हूँ कि हाय मेरे को तो पैर में दर्द हो रहा है चलने से? खाना बनाना है तो बनाना है भाई. I
I
choose to
think
do
वो
it.
इसीलिए टाइम लग रहा है बिकॉज उसको रेस्ट नहीं मिल रहा ना.
It's okay
मतलब
ना, मेरे को क्या
that
ही
is
कह
the
रहा है
reason.
बेचारा. हो जाएगा, 2 दिन एक्स्ट्रा लगा के ठीक हो जाएगा.
करते जाओ वही जो भी
You
कर रहे हो.
should do only those important things which will make you to survive for the coming 2 or 3 days.
Yes,
If you
that's what.
exceed
हाँ,
more
मैं
than
ज्यादा
that,
कर ही
no?
नहीं रही हूँ, मैं आराम से बैठी हूँ. देखो मेरा 10 PM क्लब अभी तक स्टार्ट ही नहीं हो रहा है. हमने कहा अच्छा ठीक
Yeah,
है, देख लेते हैं उसको.
true. Actually, that acupressure ball works out a lot, Karishma.
Okay, I'll use that.
Yeah, you just keep it beside your bed, and the moment you get up from the bed, that kind of blood circulation is mandatory for your legs. So when that is done, no, you'll get lot of
I
relief.
have seen, sorry. I have seen that 20 minutes up the wall, like you will sleep and put your your legs up the
Legs up,
wall, no?
yeah.
I think like I have seen it works.
I'll do.
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Chalo.
ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Anybody wants to share anything before we end today's session?
ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ತೆಗ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
I think lot of
ನಾಳೆ
takeaways
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
today, ki how to face the worries and
Yeah, anxiety
what are
is
the
worrying.
situations to handle it. And yeah, we can, I mean, we all know these points before, but then segregating and all, we never did it.
Yes.
So I think from today I'll take an action ki what are the things which are controllable and which are not controllable and which are to an extent controllable.
And
And
there are
yeah,
times when we don't get enough time to, write कि हाँ मेरे को तो इससे stress हो रहा है. At least we can remember this question for ourselves कि कोई भी stressful situation आ रही है या कुछ हो रहा है, is it in my control or not? And if it is in my control, what can I do about it? What
feel
do I
like
do about it?
ऑर्गेनाइज्ड नहीं होता इतना कुछ बिकॉज आपने बुक में पढ़ा, आप अभी इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं कर रहे होते हो क्योंकि वही द वे वी वर टॉकिंग, द वे आई वाज सेइंग टू राखी कि इतने सारे वर्कशॉप्स होते हैं कुछ भूल जाएंगे, चलो ठीक है कर लेंगे, तो वही होता है. तो
जो सुना
एक
impactful
आई
लगा,
हैव लाइक,
जो सुना impactful लगा कोमल,
हाँ
तो
हाँ,
can we
तो
start
इसीलिए
doing
वो
it from
नहीं कर
today?
रहे पूरे करने.
What will you
यू
ask?
मीन
Let's
राइटिंग और
practice.
समथिंग?
Nah. What will you ask yourself the
आई थिंक
moment worry
मुझे
comes?
what will I ask for?
जब आपको वरी
For
होगा,
what?
एंशियसनेस होगा, जब आपको स्ट्रेस होगा, what are you
हाँ,
going to tell
controllable
yourself?
and not controllable. Like, is it controllable or is it not controllable?
अच्छा, फिर पता चल
And
कंट्रोलेबल
जाएगा
नॉट
फिर.
कंट्रोलेबल किसका? in my control or not in my control?
किसके कंट्रोल में है ये सिचुएशन?
Yeah, is it in my control or not?
एंड
So
देन व्हाट आर
others'
यू गोइंग टू
behavior.
डू विद इट? उसके बाद क्या करने वाले हो?
मेरे को तो वही पता है कि नॉट रिएक्ट, मतलब नॉर्मली माइंड अभी उस तरफ जा रहा है, द सिचुएशंस पीपल्स बिहेवियर पे, दोज आर नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल। ट्रैफिक में तो मैं रिएक्ट करती ही नहीं हूँ ना, सो दैट इज नॉट माय वरी पॉइंट। तो इट इज मतलब दैट वाज ऑब्वियसली जस्ट अ बुक एग्जांपल, बट लाइक इंटरव्यू आल्सो, give it like remove the fear, give it just like you are just attempting it, not like it has to be some
Your
result
life
making thing.
will not
Yeah.
be so even if you fail.
And the best thing is to write down the fears, या थोड़ा बहुत ये भी हेल्प कर सकता है, फिर उसके ऊपर सोच सकती हूँ कि the way interview was, then you can think about the steps how to eliminate them.
To me it feels
Komal,
that जब तक आप कॉपी में
I have
रहोगे
a
ना,
best
कॉपी में
idea
रहो।
for you.
Yeah.
I have a best idea for you to keep victory journal, and every day anything you find that हाँ मेरे से हो गया लिखो उधर। पहली
True.
बात वो स्टार्ट करो आप,
Victory and
क्योंकि
journaling.
आपके पेजेस में 1 2 100 ऐसे हो जाएंगे ना,
Hmm.
देन योर माइंड नोज इट ओनली वरीज
It
फॉर नो
only works.
रीजन।
Hmm.
आपके पास वो एबिलिटी है, कैपेबिलिटीज है, और आपके पास वो सभी है।
क्योंकि ये वरीज तो 10-15 ईयर्स से चल रही होती है हमारे
पैटर्न है,
सिस्टम
वो
में
सभी
होती
का
है। हाँ।
पैटर्न रहता है, एक एक पैटर्न रहता है हर एक का। देखो तुम, कोई 100% परफेक्ट नहीं होता। 100% परफेक्ट होता तो क्यों इतना सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट के कोर्सेस होते हैं, है ना?
ट्रू ट्रू। एंड दोज पीपल हु आर नॉट इवन डूइंग सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट, वो किसी और से मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस फील कर रहे हैं। द पीपल हु आर नॉट
So
इनटू इट,
let's not bother about
अदर्स।
others who are not going through. God has not, we don't come without our purpose on this earth. We have to elevate ourselves before we die. ये आपको हो रही है तो आपको ये सॉल्व करना है। कैसे सॉल्व करना है? एवरी डे आई विल राइट माई विक्ट्री।
विक्ट्री लोग एंड नॉर्मल जर्नलिंग आल्सो यू टोल्ड ना कि
हाँ,
नॉर्मल जो भी।
नॉर्मल जर्नलिंग देखो, आपको हो रहा है लिखो, नहीं हो रहा है नहीं लिखो। जब आपके थॉट ज्यादा हो रहे हैं, मेक श्योर यू राइट।
या एटलीस्ट हैव अ नोटबुक फॉर दैट, अगर मुझे लगता है कि नोटबुक
हाँ,
चाहिए।
एक नोटबुक ऐसा नहीं चाहिए यार, मैं आपको बोलती हूँ, आप बहुत ऐसे
Anything.
प्रोसेस और प्रैक्टिसेस में जाते हो, डोंट डू दैट।
Hmm.
ब्रिंग वन स्मॉल लाइक वेरी
Simple,
चीप
very
बुक फॉर दिस
yeah,
थिंग्स।
true.
आपको ये रेफर करना नहीं होता है, ये सभी आपका कचरा बाहर निकलना है। कचरे को
हाँ।
अगर आप कचरे में डाल रहे हो 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 दिन 4 दिन, आप फिर से जाके कचरे के डब्बे में हाथ डाल
एंड
के कुछ
इट्स
भी
जस्ट आवर
ढूंढते हो
माइंड,
क्या?
कोई रीड भी नहीं करता।
नहीं
रियलिटी
नहीं, आई
नोबडी।
टेल यू, आई एम आस्किंग यू अ क्वेश्चन। मंडे आपने कुछ कचरे के डब्बे में डाला, ट्यूसडे डाला, वेडनेसडे डाला, थर्सडे डाला,
अभी भी
और फिर
लोग।
उसको देने की टाइम आ गई। फिर देने के टाइम, कचरा डालते वक्त, मीन्स लाइक जो लेने आते हैं उनको देते वक्त, डू यू सर्च ये कोई चीज मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए क्या, मैं रख लेती हूँ? कूड़ा में ढूंढते हो क्या? नहीं ना। तो फिर उसके लिए इतना क्या वो बुक लेना है, वो क्या? डोंट डू ऑल दिस, टेक अ नॉर्मल चीप बुक।
या
पहले आपको आदत बनाओ उसका, नॉर्मल फ्री फ्लो राइटिंग। एवरी डे मेक
नोटबुक्स,
श्योर।
दीज आर द नोटबुक्स।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, एवरी डे मेक श्योर कोमल,
सो
फॉर
मेनी
आपके
नोटबुक्स।
लिए ना, आपके लिए करो या ना करो, 20 मिनट्स आप लिखो जो भी आ रहा है। आपको ये बात बोलनी थी, कोई नहीं मिल रहा है, जाके लिखो उसमें।
एग्जैक्टली। हाँ,
इससे क्या होता है, माइंड विल बिकम लाइक,
वी आर जस्ट स्टक,
हाँ
एक बिल्कुल एम्प्टी नोटबुक पड़े,
कोई
आई
है
एम जस्ट
मुझे
स्टक
सुनने
कि
के
नहीं
लिए।
ये तो
हाँ,
हेल्थ के लिए है, देखो।
there
वी
is
आर
one
ऑल
girl called Lavender in YouTube. You go and see her. She is doing podcast from very long time. She does
पर्सनली।
like morning pages. Morning जब हम उठते हैं तो there will be lot of thoughts, clutter in our mind. जब भी हमारा clutter रहता है हमारे mind में, we cannot think clearly and we cannot act. जब भी क्लैरिटी नहीं होता है तो एक्शन नहीं होता है हमारे इसमें। सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज टू रिमूव ऑल द क्लटर। यू हैव टू, जो भी आ रहा है उसको लिखो ना, वो दूसरी बार नहीं आएगा। आपको याद आ रहा है कि आपको वेजिटेबल्स लाने हैं, एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, वेजिटेबल्स लाने हैं, आपने कहीं लिखा नहीं। वो क्या करता है, 3 4 घंटे के बाद में फिर से वो ये करता है कि रिमाइंड करता है, तुम्हें घर में वेजिटेबल्स खत्म हुए, तुम्हें लाना है। फिर भी आपने एक्शन भी नहीं लिया, लिखा भी नहीं, फिर से 1 घंटे के बाद में फिर से याद दिलाएगा. एंड देन यू सी दैट रिपीटेड reminders from your mind, it will create lot of open files.
Yeah.
और उसका मेडिटेशन करोगे तो वो कचरा सभी रिसाइकलिंग बिन में डाल के डिलीट फोल्डर में डालेगा. अभी हमारे पास वो मैकेनिज्म नहीं है. जो भी है वो हमारा दिमाग में ही है. सब भी कचरा यहाँ पे है, तो फ्रॉम वेयर इट विल कम न्यू थॉट्स.
True, true, true.
अगर आपके लिए ये सभी जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हमने आज बोला,
Exactly.
लाइक आपके हाथ से 1 या 2 चीज इम्प्लीमेंट हुए, इनफ.
Yeah, बन जाए that so
हाँ हाँ, दैट
also
इज योर विक्ट्री. डोंट थिंक दैट इन्होंने मुझे 4-5 चीजें बोले, मैंने 4-5 नहीं किया, मैंने बुक नहीं लाया, मैंने ये नहीं किया. डोंट गो इन
Exactly.
टू सेल्फ बीटिंग.
आप
सेल्फ
किसका
लव
चैनल
इज
बोल
वेरी
रहे थे?
इंपॉर्टेंट
You
फॉर
were
योर
talking
ग्रोथ.
about okay, okay.
लेवेंडर. लेवेंडर मुझे भी नहीं पता यार, वो इंडिया की नहीं है, बाहर की
Okay.
है. आई जस्ट मैसेज लैवेंडर DIAR something it is there. Wait, I'll just check and send it.
All right. Thank you, each one of you, for joining in. Thank you for the perspectives, for the insights, and all that you have given here in this room. I truly am grateful.
LAVEN, sorry, LAVENDAIRE, lavender.
IRE. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So tomorrow we will be reading about caring what people think of you, because this is one of the topics because of which we struggle a lot. There is a lot of stress, anxiety, and much more in our lives. So we shall be reading about that tomorrow. Whosoever loved today's session, I would love to have you here in tomorrow's session as well. Take good care
1
of
minute, I'm
yourself.
sharing the link.
Share it in the group now.
So, Karishma, now that you're not taking 10 p.m. sessions, right?
नहीं, I'll be starting, पता नहीं, अब तो कल तो Friday ही हो गया. Now I'll start it on Monday only.
Right, and no worries at all. But I'm just asking ki, I need not check again and again ki
No,
today.
no. I already told you, whenever I'll start, I'll ping you personally.
Okay.
ठीक है? Don't worry at all.
Yeah.
All right,
Amazing,
thank you.
Thank you
God
so
bless
much.
you.
Today's session was so useful and so fruitful. Thank you.
Thank
God bless.
you. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
it
God
was
bless you.
indeed.
Bye.
Thank you. Lots of love. Thank you. Thank you. Gratitude.